Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Same Apple ID, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled and both devices unlocked. Open Finder on your Macbook. This is where syncing now starts. Make sure iPhone shows on the Finder sidebar under Locations. Once it appears, click it to open the device pane. You do this because Finder replaces iTunes for device management, so you need that direct connection to control backups, file transfers, and sync settings from the Mac. Now you configure what to sync. Click each tab, Music, Photos, Files, and Backups, and pick the checkboxes that match your needs. You should decide whether to sync automatically or manually. Automatic keeps content mirrored, while manual gives selective control. If you need passwords or health data, enable Encrypt Local Backup and set a strong password. Make changes, then click Apply. This step matters because it defines what stays consistent across devices and what remains independent. To finish, click Sync or Apply and watch the progress bar until it completes. Do not disconnect mid-sync. Once done, verify data on both devices. Photos, apps, and files should match your settings. If syncing stalls or the iPhone doesn't appear, restart both devices, try a different USB cable or port, and confirm both run recent OS versions. Finally, make sure iCloud settings aren't overriding Finder sync. Sometimes iCloud keeps content in the cloud instead of local copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.